Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the font style in your story on Telegram. Let's dive into the steps to customize your story with unique fonts. To begin, open the Telegram app on your Android device. Next, tap the camera icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to initiate creating a new story. Take a photo or select one from your gallery. Then tap the text icon at the bottom of the screen to add text to your story. Type out your desired text, and to further enhance it, tap on the font icon situated next to the smiley face icon at the bottom. Here, you can choose from a variety of font styles to suit your preference. Once you are satisfied with your text and font selection, tap on Next at the bottom right corner of the screen to proceed. Finally, tap on Post Story to share your story with the customized font style. Your story will now be shared with your followers on Telegram, showcasing your creative touch. By following these steps, you can easily elevate the visual appeal of your stories on Telegram by incorporating unique font styles. Personalize your stories with creative fonts to make them stand out and captivate your audience. Embrace the opportunity to add a special touch to your Telegram stories with custom font styles.